Hello again. So this is a little bit different because today we have our special star, our son Liam, and this video is all about him, so I thought it would be good to have him in the introduction. You will see that we are quite high up. You can actually just show around if you like. On our deck, I must admit that I'm going to have to get used to it. I don't like climbing up ladders and I'm not too great on heights. But once I'm sitting, I'm okay. So at the moment, we're all quite comfortable. So Liam, what do you have to say?
It took a long time to build this deck. Not really though. It did take a bit of effort to try get the alignment done. But in the end, some mathematical planning and some double checking was able to get everything lined up with a few mistakes corrected, and yeah. Looks pretty nice.
Anyway, it's a nice addition to our van. So I hope you enjoy watching the build and the final picture of it. Bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Tell me what you're doing.
Sandy. Can you not see? I'm sanding.
What are you saying?
I'm sanding the teak because it's been...
The what?
We were given this about 2 years ago.
The what?
The teak.
Teak.
Teak wood. It's teak paneling. We were given this about 2 years ago, and it sat out in the garden for all that time. And so there's a lot of sand and grit on it. So I'm using the sander just to clean it, the surface off, because I'm now going to plane it so that I can use it for flooring in the van. But I don't want to blunt my planing blades on the first piece of wood. So I'm first sanding it all, and you can see there's some of the color is starting to come through. That on the left hasn't been sanded yet, whereas this on the right has. So you can
Are you doing all of it?
just up to that. Those, I've got more installed there which I haven't checked, but those have got weevil and that in it, and these are cracked, or no, these are longer ones, so I'm going to have to cut them to fit in the van, and I don't want to cut long ones unnecessarily, so I'll use the short ones that I've got first. Like here, this has got an insert in it which has just obviously had a pipe or umbrella stand or something in there, but I'll most probably cut that. So I'm going to have lots of offcuts, but nothing I can do there.
This is Liam working on the deck for us. There's not much space because of the solar panels and the vents, but at least it will be just a little deck so we can sit up there and look at the view. So he's already put in the, what do you call those things? Trusses, no? Yeah, the trusses.
So now that the frame for the deck is done, we are now putting the deck boards in. The holes have been drilled already, and so it's now just putting them, attaching them to the frame. So we're using spring nuts to attach it to the truss, the board to the truss, and then again Loctite them in using machine screws. Got 15 overhang right now. About 15 overhang.
Yeah.
What do you want?
15.
Okay. Yeah. There's this one. This is the one that we want. This is the
Okay.
shortest.
And here? You're going from the middle of the screw.
Yeah. It should be 17. 17 from the middle. Oh, let me just double check. Right. Should be. Middle of the screw is. No, 16.9.
Okay. There.
Yeah.
Okay, so get the straight edge. Have you marked it there?
Oh, on this one?
No, it's the edge.
Yeah, that's just I'll mark on this one.
Okay. Should leave the sticking out here. Trademark of ours. I'm not close enough to the edge, I can't see it.
Yeah. I think we'll come a bit there.
Okay, mark it all. No.
No, this one.
Okay. Okay. Now measure 11 centimeters back from that. And that is the
I can get that one.
you said. Yep.
11 you said.
Yep. Do you want me to move the ladder?
Yes, please.